Well, Casimiro update lang tayo mga par. Gigil na gigil pa rin itong si Casimiro kay Naoya Inoue. Hindi na mawala ang gigil ni former world champion Junior Casimiro sa Japanese monster na si Naoya Inoue. Sa kanyang Facebook post, sinabi ni John Real na hindi na siya magboboxing daw muli kung wala rin lang laban kay Naoya. Hindi na ako lalaban mga boss kung walang Inoue. Ayon kay Casimiro na bumisita kay Games and Amusement Board or GAB Chairman Attorney Francisco G. Rivera, minsan ang ikinasa ang tapatan sana ni na Casimiro at Inoue noong April 25, 2020. Subalit na pornada dahil sa pagtama ng COVID-19 pandemic. Noong panahon na iyon, hawak ni Inoue ang World Boxing Association o WBA at International Boxing Federation IBF bantamweight belts. Samantalang nasa biwang ni Casimiro ang World Boxing Organization o WBO title. Huling sumabak sa sapakan ng 35 anyos na 5'4" boxer na si Casimiro na may record na 34 wins, 4 loss at isang draw at 23 nito mga par ay pamamagitan ng knockouts noong Oktubre 13, 2024 kontra sa Old Hansi sa kanilang Super Bantamweight Championship bout sa bisa ng first round knockout sa labang ginanap sa Yokohama, Japan. Gayunman, 2 araw ang lumipas ay pinatawan siya ng 1-year suspension ng Japan Boxing Commission dahil nga par sa kanyang controversial na weigh-in na talagang lumampas siya sa 122-pound weight limit bago ang sapaka noong Oktubre 12.
Let's go, John Real. His corner is yelling. But Nonito, of course, you don't want to punch yourself out. You don't want to gas out.
Of course.
Oh, Casimiro can't be careless. He is saved by the bell. All right, Nonito, walk us through the sequence.
In beginning the round, then he got hit with that left hook, and he went out, and he was very not.
And here we go, round number 7. Highlights in round number 7. Again, a world champ.
Jab.
Oh!
Wow,
By Casimiro.
and he was able to have Casimiro wasn't able,
Knowing that there was a point deduction.
and he has a knockdown against Flip.
Words in boxing and new.